Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today I'll be doing a trailer reaction of Lucifer 2 Empuran L2, right? So this was highly requested after the Lucifer trailer. So let's just get into that. And like Mohanlal sir is there, so probably I'll whistle again. Pretend to whistle, not really whistle. Okay, let's just start. They always ask to connect the headphones. Wow, the visuals. Cinematography, huh? Ah, the slow walk.
अरे तू किसको धमकी दे रहा है रे? अपने औकात में ना, नहीं तो तेरा
Oh, Hindi?
ब्यावनी से खोल के अंकोला को झाड़ू मार के माया करो, माया मौका देश। अगर संगानी ये
Ooh.
बंदा लेकर आया तो मैं देखता हूँ
Shakti Kapoor.
इसको बिल्कुल से रोक सकता है। तू कौन है पहले ये बता। संगानी की खिचड़ी में चमन जाने वाले कौन है तू? ओसामा का बेटा है, गबूगा है, दाऊद है, कौन है तू बोल? अब्रा, कुरैशी, अब्रा।
Ooh. Wow. What style, man? Wow. The score. Wow. L2. Empuran. Wow. Is this also directed by Prithvi Raj? Wow. Oh, it's over. But the music is so good, I don't want to stop it. Wow. Coming soon enough. Okay. Oh, it's over. So this premiered in June 18th. Okay. 2019. So has this released or no? I don't think it released, right? Okay, cool. Aha, ad. I'm just gonna shut this. Wow, so this was really not a trailer. This was sort of a scene, an extended cut of the film, like the first look of the film. So, firstly, the background score. I think it's done by the same music director. I'm assuming that because the score sounds similar. Dave something, I forget the name. I think it's done by that person only because it's so good. The use of that guitar, that score sounded amazing. And with Mohanlal sir doing his slow motion entry, it just gives life to the scene. And I think this is also maybe directed by Prithvi Raj only. The camera work of this scene particularly was amazing, and this was sort of like a Hindi trailer only because all the dialogues were of Shakti Kapoor and he was just blabbering away in Hindi. So Wow, no wonder you guys have been asking me to react to the second part because Mohanlal sir's swag is on a different level here. He looks so good. He looks amazing with that, that overcoat and all, and with the glasses. And I really liked how at the beginning of the scene, like he was cleaning the glasses and he just kept on the king is coming, I should keep the glasses ready. So that was really cool. Wow, okay. And after I reacted to the birthday mashup video, there is I think one more birthday mashup video which you guys have been asking me to react to. Apparently that is better than the previous one. So yeah, maybe I've put it on my reaction list. I don't know when I'll do that, but I'll get to it. And I think after the birthday mashup reaction, I have been so interested to watch like couple of his films. One film that was that has been requested was Than Matra. I think I've pronounced it correct. Than Matra, which is supposed to be a really good film. So I have put that on my watch list. I will definitely be watching that. So yes, that was the trailer reaction. Not really trailer, an extended scene reaction to Empuran L2. What does Empuran mean? Because it was written E.M. Is it like a, I don't know what is that. And someone told me in the Lucifer comment that it was not a political drama. So it was something related to like a secret society group. So, and with this scene, I got a feeling that like Mohanlal sir's character is some big drug lord mafia who's like the drug king or something like that. I just got that feeling. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell me what is the release date, or it has been pushed back. There is no particular release date right now, but this looked great. Thank you for asking me to react to it. I enjoyed it. The score was amazing of this trailer. So yes, that was my reaction. Hope you enjoyed the video. More reactions to come in the future videos, and I hope you like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Until my next video guys, bye bye.